Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Ford Mustang Mach-E driver profiles with SANC, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Ford Mustang Mach-E driver profiles using SANC, start by ensuring your vehicle is in park and powered on. Locate the SANC touchscreen display in your vehicle. Tap on the gear icon to access the settings menu. Scroll down to find the connectivity option and select it. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected to a stable network. If your vehicle is not connected, choose your preferred Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password if prompted. Once connected, return to the main settings menu. Select the Driver Profiles option. Here, you can see all available driver profiles. Choose the profile you want to back up. Once selected, look for the option labeled Backup Profile. Tap on it to begin the backup process. Confirm any prompts that appear on the screen to finalize the backup. The system will notify you once the backup is complete. Repeat these steps for any additional profiles you wish to backup. To restore a profile, navigate back to the Driver Profiles section. Select Restore Profile and choose the profile you wish to restore. Confirm the restoration process. You will receive a notification once the restoration is successful. This ensures that your driver profiles are safe and can be accessed when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.